Okay, hello guys, and yeah, good morning. How is everyone doing? If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn post notifications on. It's a Saturday, and I only have Bitcoin on my list to trade until Monday, so we can trade the other pairs. But I'll go through a few of my, actually all. I'll go through all my uh, pairs. I see what might happen on Monday if we are not able to get that much of weekend gaps. Okay, because most times when the market opens, we are always opening into the gaps. Okay, so yeah, as we last analyzed, we see GBP JPY. It had a massive run to the downside, reaching into this demand zone. I would call it a support rather, not so much of a demand zone. So we are seeing some kind of a reaction. The buyers are trying to push the market back up. So when we check on the higher time frame, we might get something like this up to at least somewhere along this supply zone right there. Okay, so how would I capitalize on that move? I'll be waiting on the lower time frame to get a shift in the structure, but that may not even happen. I may not even enter this trade because I didn't get a nearby valid high. Okay, because the other recent high I have is that one over there, and the trade just needs to come and of course break all this. Okay, we shall have a totally a change in the direction. So I may not get a trade along here. So that's that about GBP JPY. Unless if the market is to come now and break below, then create a fake out and continue selling out the sell along this move right there. Okay, but if that doesn't happen, then we shall be looking for another entry setup. So that's that for GBP JPY. We are in massive selling, so we might get a pullback for the market to clear the imbalance which was created. I think it was because of news. Market had reacted that way. Market has affected the news affected the market so much. A lot of pairs been selling. So yeah, that's it for GBP JPY. And I didn't even take this trade, but it was my setup, but it didn't fulfill all my rules, so I didn't take this trade. It's much better not taking the trade rather than taking a trade where yours have been not followed fully. So it's much better I miss such a trade. So I'll check on gold. We see what we'll be expecting on Monday. Okay, so for gold, it's like we got a break of structure right there. Let's see if it's a valid one. Let's see if we got a valid break of structure. Okay, so we have a valid break of structure right there. Okay, have our recent high right there. Then we have our recent low right there, a valid one, a valid low right there. So when we check on the high time frame, we might be having that pullback. So let's wait and see. But after that massive sell, okay. But the bias is sales on gold, sales on gold. This is what I would be expecting on gold. I'm always having three scenarios. Market either come create that liquidity sweep or a fake out, then we sell along that that continuation right there. Or the other scenario is for the market to come break. After breaking, creating a fake out, then we sell with the continuation or a change in the direction. We get that change in the direction, break of structure, a liquidity sweep or a fake out, then we continue with the buyers. Okay, those are the three scenarios I'm always having. I'm always trading along the continuation, or this continuation after a market reversal. Okay, those are the three scenarios I'll be having on gold on Monday. Let's see what will work out, and let's see what the market will show us. Okay, so the that's it on gold. So I'll be checking BTC. We see what we have on oh wow, BTC. We might have something interesting. BTC might be having something amazing. Look at that. That's a break of structure right there. That's a break of structure. We have our market structure shift right there. Okay, that's a market structure shift. I think I might have an entry on BTC this morning, but let's see what's going to happen. Then we have our recent low right there. Okay. I don't, is this let me see if this is a valid low right there, because I don't want to mess up. Okay, we have this one right there. Actually, this is not a valid low for me. This is not a valid low for me. No, it's not. So that cannot be a market structure shift for me. It was lacking a bit. It was lacking. I want to just enter a trade just because of the need to enter a trade, because I haven't been trading for like 2 days. I've been looking for an entry, but I'm not getting one. I think I'll be more patient and wait for that good setup, because my last trade I got a loss, and Somehow I missed one of my rules. I didn't really recognize the rule. As I remembered it when it was late. Okay, so when I see something not when I see something not following my rules, I won't be entering that trade. So this is our valid law. This is our valid law. That one I'm sure. So I'll just wait for BTC. Yeah, to give us that clean setup. Okay. So this is what I'll be looking at for BTC. A fake out or liquidity sweep, then we sell. Okay, because current bars we are selling, so it's better to go with the trend. Okay, then the other scenario is a break, then creating that market structure shift, or a fake out or liquidity sweep, then we sell. Or the other scenario is a change in the what, in the direction of the trend, something like that. Okay. I'll be looking at something of that sort. Okay, on BTC, whatever happens, I'll be trading it unless if BTC goes into consolidation. As always, when it's weekend, BTC always just goes into consolidations. That's the saddest truth on BTC. So let me check Euro USD. So today weekend I'm going to be focusing on BTC majorly. See what we have. So on a Euro USD we got a market structure shift right there. It's a good one. Okay. So like I indicated here, I was looking for a buy setup. I don't know if I get one. But let's see. Okay, okay. Mm, there's no valid low right there, so I think if I checked very well, since I'm looking for a buy setup, let's see, it's not yet valid because it lacks a few confluences. Let's see. We have our valid factor market uh, high right there. That's our high right there, a valid one. If market breaks that, then we might be looking for more confirmations to take the buy. Might be looking for more confirmations to take the buy, but for now, it is sitting real tight because the market is massively bearish right now, so it's not a good idea to buy in this kind of market. It's not a good idea to buy in such a market, so I wait. Okay, I'll wait and see what happens. I will mark my alert right there, and see right there. See if it gets triggered on Monday. Okay, so yeah, this is it for EURUSD. We already got that break of structure. We got that market structure shift, the one you see right there. Then we'll be looking towards buy the market back up. Okay, even though it's in a massive sell, we'll be looking for confirmations before we can do what, because this is a huge move here. Market will have to like at least make some kind of a pullback, either somewhere around here or to come up there, because this is a massive gap right there. We have a lot of gaps right there. Market will have to come and fill the imbalance, at least for the most part. But if the market doesn't do that, then yeah, we'll go with what we see. Okay, and yeah, that's it for today's analysis. For some part, I was like happy I would get an entry here for the sale, but unfortunately, this wasn't a valid low right here. But it's okay. Trading is all about patience. Only the patient get paid. Only the patient get paid. Okay. I don't know why I even marked this low right here on Friday. So I think I just marked it for the sake, but I had not confirmed it yet. Okay, because this is not a valid low right there for me, considering what I look out for to ensure a valid low. I didn't see what I was looking for. Okay. Mm. If this week wasn't there and it had stopped like somewhere there, I would have considered that as a valid low right here. But all this week, all these weeks made it to be invalid. Okay. Mm, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it on BTC and today's analysis. Guys, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and like the video. And yeah, let me hope you learned something from this video. Yeah, blessed weekend to everyone, and happy